You've got to focus on one thing at a time, one product, one service, one course, one idea at a time. When I think back to anything that I have mastered, accomplished, or succeeded at, it was because I was focused on one thing. So for instance, when I was writing my book, that was the only thing I was focused on. I was focused on writing my book, getting it edited, publishing it, and then selling it. Whether I was creating marketing campaigns, book signings at Indigo, chapters, schools, organizations, that was the only thing I was focused on, was selling the book. The book then gave birth to my speaking business. When I started speaking, that was the only thing I was focused on. Crafting my story, delivering my story, mastering my delivery, perfecting my speaking skills, whether I was taking courses, attending conferences in Atlanta or LA, that was all I was focused on, the book. The book then gave birth to coaching. And while I was coaching, I started doing network marketing and I was coaching my team. But when I was coaching, that was the only thing I was doing, was coaching. So when I think back, I'm like, wow, if I did not let my creative juices get the best and the worst out of me, I believe I would be a multi-millionaire today. So I'm not just speaking to the audience. I'm not just speaking to you. I'm also speaking to myself. Because I'm a creative, I tend to think of other ideas while I'm still trying to finish or launch this one thing that I'm working on. So I'm here working on this and mastering, coming up with things for this project. And then it's like, oh my gosh, I got this other idea. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do ABC. But this one project isn't even completed yet. So I'm working on this project and then I'm working on another project. And in the end, I end up not completing any of them. So my advice is, if you want to truly make money, apply the one thing at a time method. And if you haven't read the book yet, go and read The One Thing by Gary Keller. That was a life, business, and game changer for me. When I read that book, I realized not only the power of time blocking, but I've got to stop this. Actually, I need to go reread that book again because I have so many different things happening. And I will say I've gotten a lot better. I am able to catch myself now when I'm working on, for instance, my current digital healing academy, where I am helping women heal through digital products. Now, I want to focus on that. But while I'm building this, I'm coming up with all these different ideas, VIP day for my clients, my coaching clients, and then all this. And I'm like, oh my God, Elizabeth, stop. So I'm able to catch myself, but it still happens because I am a born creative. And for all of my Bellas and fellas watching this, if you are anything like me, you are probably working on 3-4 different things at a time. When we think of Apple launches new versions of their one product, whether that is the iPad, whether that is the MacBook, whether that is the iPhone. It's the same product, but a different version. So let's say, for instance, you have a digital product. Basically, it might be a guide or an ebook. Now, you can go and create a talking head video course from that guide or that ebook. Are you following me here? It's the same product, different version. If you've got a skincare line and you are selling cleanser, well, now that you've sold that cleanser and it's done extremely well and you've marketed it, everyone's buying this cleanser, everyone's talking about it. Now you can create the moisturizer to go along with that cleanser. So it's not to say that you have to stick with one thing forever. You can create different versions of that one thing. But I think even deeper than that, focus on that one thing, build it, sell it. Whatever content you're creating, create it around that one thing. And when it starts to do extremely well, you can now add another product or create a different version of that product. So the message here is focus on one thing at a time. And trust me, I'm with you. So I'm sharing this not just for you, but for me as well. And again, if you haven't read the book, go and read The One Thing by Gary Keller.